Hello viewers. Today I'll review one of the books that I read recently, 10 Minutes of Toughness, and I'll give you core message from the book. This book teaches so many things. The mental training program for winning before the game begins. It's written by Jason Selk. So let's begin our core message. 10 Minutes Toughness is a solid mental training program. In fact, I feel it is one of its best kind. It is what the title says, 10 minutes a day that connects your talents and abilities to the outcome you are seeking. As an athlete and player looking forward, I can see as many applications for the toughness Jason Silk's program brought out of all of us in the business world as they were on the football field. A considerable body of research validates that each of these five tools is highly individual's ability to perform. Give it a try. Complete the mental workout for 2 weeks and judge for yourself if it helps you to improve focus, ability, and consistency. Three phases of progress. Phase 1 Mental workout. Phase 2 Goal setting for greatness. Phase 3 Relentless solution focus. So these are the three phases that has been described in this book for getting the success. 15-second breathing exercise. Breathe in for counting 1 to 6, then hold for 2, count 1 to mentally, and then while exhale, count from 1 to 7. Repeat this for 15 seconds. This is a 15-second breathing exercise that has been described in this book. Now 15-second centered breathe. When you feel performance pressure, your heart rate naturally increases. All of us must have observed this in many times in life. If you don't take steps to control your heart rate, you will impair your ability to think clearly and activate your fight response. In research study, it is found that when athletes and top business executives slow their breathing to 15 seconds interval before going on stage, they get enough air into the diaphragm to trigger a relaxation response and steady their heart rate. So, this 15-second breathing exercise is really very important. The second thing that this book talks about is performance statement. Without a performance statement, your mind will naturally fill up with thought of worry and self-doubt. Repeating a performance is an excellent tool to reduce negative self-talk during performance. A cyclist performance statement is weigh back and breathe easy. A businessman performance statement is listen first and then decide, be swift and confident. Next thing is visualization. After reciting a performance statement, spend 1 minute visualizing past success. Just go through whatever success you got in the past. 1 minute spending ultimate success and 1 minute visualizing a successful upcoming performance. Now, here are a few guidelines for visualizing. Rapidly replay a scene in your mind until it feels right. Ensure your final visualization is at the game speed. End each successful visualization by congratulating yourself on an excellent performance. And identity statement. Upon completing your personal highlights, repeat to yourself your identity statement to help mold your self-image. The identity statement is a proven tool for boosting self-confidence, which is the single most helpful mental variable in improving performance. Identity statement says, I am more motivated than my competition. I am most effective sports psychology consultant in the world. This book is written to help control arousal through centering breathe, that is 15-second exercise, breathing exercise, create a precise and effective focus through performance statement, and improve self-image. This is done through the identity management, identity statement. So this is the core message from this book. I would highly recommend you to go through the book, and you can buy it from Amazon, Flipkart. So many online portals are there through which you can buy this book. Now, thanks for watching, and if you didn't uh, like anything, do write in the comment box. If you like the video, you can press the like icon and subscribe the channel.